Welcome back to Elucidate. Today we're working through two trigonometry projects together, question by question. First, trigonometric graphs. Then, non-right-angled trigonometry. For each question I'll introduce the idea, explain the working, and then show you the completed step in the scratch pad, so you can see exactly how it's done. By the end you'll be able to read and sketch trig graphs, and choose the sine, cosine or area rule from the information you're given. Let's begin with the graphs. Build and compare the parent sine, cosine and tangent graphs. Here's the key idea. Sine starts at 0, rises to +1, back through 0 to -1, and repeats every 360 degrees. Cosine starts at +1 and shares the same period and range as sine. Tangent is not a wave, it repeats every 180 degrees, has asymptotes, and never reaches a maximum or minimum, so it has no amplitude. In the scratch pad, the platform shows sine, cosine and tangent, and asks which set of tangent facts is correct. The question asks, rebuild the parent map and complete the tangent facts. The answer is, period 180 degrees, no amplitude. Predict how k changes the period. Here's the key idea. For sine and cosine, period equals 360 degrees divided by k. Bigger k means more cycles in the same horizontal space. With k equals 2, one cycle is half as wide. In the scratch pad, in the lab, k is set to 2 on y equals sine x. The question asks, set k equals 2 on y equals sin x. What happens to the sine period? The answer is, period halves to 180 degrees. Use the 5 anchor points to build a sine graph. Here's the key idea. The parent sine cycle is 0, 1, 0, -1, 0. Parameter a multiplies every output. For y equals 2 sin x, each output is doubled. In the scratch pad, we are building y equals 2 sine x from its 5 key points. The question asks, for y equals 2 sin x, give the 5 y values at 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees. The answer is 0, 2, 0, -2, 0. Read family, period and range from a fully transformed graph. Here's the key idea. Family comes from the function name, cosine. Period equals 360 degrees divided by k equals 360 degrees divided by 2 equals 180 degrees. A equals -2 reflects in the x-axis, amplitude 2 means range, -2, 2. In the scratch pad, we are reading all the transformations from one equation. The question asks, for y equals -2 cos 2x, find the family, the period and the range. The answer is, cosine 180 degrees a range, -2, 2. Find the horizontal reference by solving the bracket. Here's the key idea. Solve the inside bracket for 0. X plus 60 degrees equals 0 degrees gives x equals -60 degrees. No sign tricks, just solve. In the scratch pad, we want the x value where the parent cycle begins. The question asks, for y equals sin x plus 60 degrees, where is the parent starting reference? The answer is x equals -60 degrees. Construct a tangent graph using asymptotes first. Here's the key idea. Tangent has no amplitude or turning points. Find the period, 180 degrees divided by k, place the asymptotes, mark the midpoint zeros. Draw each branch between its asymptotes. In the scratch pad, tangent is built differently from sine and cosine. The question asks, which construction order is correct for y equals tan 2x? The answer is, period asymptotes midpoint zeros branches. Read where two graphs cross. Here's the key idea. F, x, equals g, x, exactly where the two curves cross. Read every crossing across the full domain. The two crossings here are at minus 150 degrees and 30 degrees. In the scratch pad, equal outputs put both graphs at the same height. The question asks, read both crossings of f equals cosine x and g equals sine x plus 30 degrees for minus 180 degrees less than or equal to x less than or equal to 180 degrees. The answer is x equals minus 150 degrees and x equals 30 degrees. Read a graph inequality as a region. Here's the key idea. The intersection split the domain into regions. F greater than g, where f is above g, strict inequality means the crossing x values are excluded. In the scratch pad, f greater than g means f lies above g. The question asks, using the same two graphs, where is f, x, g, x? The answer is, minus 150 degrees, x less than 30 degrees, open. Diagnose and correct a faulty claim. Here's the key idea. Tangent has no maximum or minimum, so no amplitude. Its period uses 180 degrees, not 360 degrees. 180 degrees divided by 3 equals 60 degrees. Both parts of the claim are wrong. In the scratch pad, we are checking two claims about a transformed tangent. The question asks, a learner says y equals tan 3x has amplitude 1 and period 120 degrees. Correct it. The answer is, no amplitude, period 60 degrees. Combine every graph idea on an unseen function. Here's the key idea. Period equals 360 degrees divided by 2 equals 180 degrees. Reference x minus 30 degrees equals 0 degrees, x equals 30 degrees. Negative a reflex, amplitude 1 range, minus 1, 1. In the scratch pad, this is the whole graph decision system at once. The question asks, for h, x, equals minus sin 2, x minus 30 degrees period, reference, range, and the effect of the negative a. The answer is, 180 degrees, x equals 30 degrees, minus 1, 1, reflect. Map a non-right angle triangle and choose the right rule. Here's the key idea. A complete side, opposite angle pair unlocks the sine rule. SAS, two sides plus included angle, or SSS unlocks cosine. Two sides and the included angle gives the area rule. In the scratch pad, we are choosing which rule to use. The question asks, which selection map correctly describes the sine, cosine, and area rules? The answer is, complete opposite pair sine, SAS/SSS cosine, two sides plus included angle area. Label sides opposite their angles. Here's the key idea. Trace straight across the triangle. Side AC is opposite angle B, angle A is opposite side BC. In the scratch pad, the lowercase side is always opposite the matching uppercase angle. The question asks, which side is opposite angle B, and which angle is opposite side BC? The answer is, AC is opposite B, A is opposite BC. Solve a side with the sine rule. Here's the key idea. A divided by sin A equals B divided by sin B. AC divided by sin 68 degrees equals 8 divided by sin 42 degrees. AC equals 8 sin 68 degrees divided by sin 42 degrees is almost equal to 11.09 centimeters. In the scratch pad, a complete opposite pair unlocks the sine rule. The question asks, calculate AC, BC equals 8 centimeters opposite 42 degrees, AC opposite 68 degrees. The answer is, AC equals 11.09 centimeters. Chain two rules across two triangles. Here's the key idea. Stage 1, BD via the sine rule in triangle ABD. BD equals 5 sin 50 degrees divided by sin 20 degrees is almost equal to 11.20 m, store unrounded. Stage 2, BC equals BD times sin 70 degrees is almost equal to 10.52 m in the right triangle. In the scratch pad, one result creates the next trigger. The question asks, in triangle ABD, AD equals 5m, angle A equals 50 degrees, angle B equals 20 degrees. Find diagonal BD, then BC in the right triangle BCD. The answer is, BD equals 11.20 m, BC equals 10.52 m. Use the cosine rule to find a side, SAS. Here's the key idea. X superscript 2 equals 7 superscript 2 plus 9 superscript 2 minus 2, 7, 9, cos 58 degrees. X superscript 2 is almost equal to 63.23. X is almost equal to 7.95 centimeters. In the scratch pad, two sides with their included angle cosine rule. The question asks, two sides 7 centimeters and 9 centimeters, included angle 58 degrees. Find the side X. The answer is X equals 7.95 centimeters. Use the cosine rule to find an angle, SSS. Here's the key idea. Put the opposite side on the left. 6 superscript 2 equals 5 superscript 2 plus 8 superscript 2 minus 2, 5, 8, cos A equals 5 superscript 2 plus 8 superscript 2 minus 6 superscript 2, divided by 2, 5, 8, equals 53 divided by 80. A is almost equal to 48.51 degrees. In the scratch pad, three sides known cosine rule for an angle. The question asks sides 5, 6, and 8. Find angle A opposite the side of length 6. The answer is A equals 48.51 degrees. Use the area rule with an included angle. Here's the key idea. Area equals 1/2 times 5, 8 times sin 8. Use the unrounded angle. Area is almost equal to 14.98 square units. In the scratch pad, two sides and the included angle build the area. The question asks, using the same triangle, calculate its area. The answer is, area equals 14.98. Recover from a faulty rule choice. Here's the key idea. Two sides alone is not a trigger. The sine rule needs one known side and its opposite angle. Two sides plus included angle may unlock cosine or area instead. In the scratch pad, we are testing a common misconception. The question asks, a learner says, I know two sides, so I can always use the sine rule. Is that correct? The answer is, incorrect, needs a complete opposite pair. Map a real context into triangles, then solve. Here's the key idea. Identify the two sight lines and the angle between them. H equals x sin beta sin theta divided by sin beta plus theta. H equals 120 sin 17 degree sin 28 degree divided by sin 45 degree is almost equal to 23.29 m. In the scratch pad, we map the physical situation into triangles. The question asks, boats 120 m apart, theta equals 28 degrees, beta equals 17 degrees. Find the cliff height h. The answer is h equals 23.29 m. Choose the rule and solve an unseen problem. Here's the key idea. Two sides plus included angle, targeting the third side SAS cosine. AC superscript 2 equals 13 superscript 2 plus 9 superscript 2 minus 2, 13, 9, cos 47 degrees. AC is almost equal to 9.51 m. In the scratch pad, an unseen problem tests the whole map trigger solve route. The question asks, AB equals 13 m, BC equals 9 m, included angle B equals 47 degrees. Select the first rule and calculate AC. The answer is cosine rule, AC equals 9.51 m. You've worked through both scratch pads. You can now build and read trigonometric graphs, and solve any triangle by choosing the right rule. Practice both scratch pads at your own pace, then challenge yourself with the exit tickets. The more you run each question through the decision map, the more predictable new problems become. That's the whole point.